Hi, Marianne. I apologize for getting back to you late. So on the left, I have the renovations worksheet, and on the right, I have the instructions. So you were asking about step 4 and 5. So in this one, what we're going to do here is, here's the original capacity. Here's the increase in capacity. So all we need to do, if we just multiply these, so the original capacity times the increase, what we're going to get is how many new are being added to that space, right? That's the increase. But what we want to do is we want to know the like the new total, right? So that would be an increase of 30. So what I need to do is add in the original capacity. So it'll take what the original capacity is and add it to the increased capacity, which is the original times this. So anytime you're doing these kind of things like you're increasing price or any of that, you want to pay attention. Are they asking for what the increase is, which would have been the 30, right? Or are they asking for a new total or a new price, right? And when you do that, you always have to include the original as an add-on because you take the original plus the new. So if we go over here to 5, in cell I, so this is the same thing. We're going to take the quarterly revenue prior to renovations. We're going to multiply it by the increase in revenue. And the only difference here is that increase in revenue, do you see, actually is a named range. So let's do that. We're going to take the quarterly revenue times, and then I don't remember what it's called. So I'm going to hit my F3 key. It's going to bring up this paste name dialog. And increase in revenue is what I want to use. Just make sure. Increase in revenue. So once again, if I hit enter there, that's the new amount of money. But I want to know the total. So I need to take this original and add it on. And so this technique that I'm doing is normally what I do, where I figure out the increase and then I add on the original. And a lot of times you can do a couple different ways, 1 plus the whatever, but I think this makes sense. So if you want to try and fix those, I know it's late, but because I didn't get back to you in a timely fashion, you can try and do this and submit, and I'll remove the late fee thing. So let's see if you actually have, let's see, let me pause this here. I'm going to go to the gradebook real quick. Okay, so I have your gradebook, and you did good on it, but if you want, I see you still have 2 submissions left. So if you want to go ahead and make those changes so you can practice it and submit it, just send me a quick email and I will remove the late penalty, right? So it's up to you whether you do that. So I'll wait to see if you email me to remove it. All right, reach out if you have questions. And once again, I apologize.